This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com. Hi, this is Muscle for another Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight we have a legend. I'm talking about a Sound Clash legend in the building. We're talking about 9-time World Clash champion winner in the building. Do you know who we have? We have Pink Panther, the world general, in the building. What's going on, big boss?
Yeah, man, they're live and direct.
In the cold.
Definitely.
Yeah. How is the city treating you since you came back?
Yeah, man. Nice vibes and everything. We are actually on a tour because we're just leaving. We got Miami last week, then New York, then here.
Okay. Because I know now you took your birthday on a tour.
Yeah, man.
Because when I came to your birthday dance in Jamaica, that was the biggest thing.
Yeah, man.
One time.
The first one was in Jamaica 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And then the New York, then Miami, then here.
Okay. How was the one in Jamaica?
Big as usual.
Yeah.
And the biggest thing in Manchester.
Yes, man.
Every year.
Yeah.
Big. It's like a grand market.
Yeah. Who was on it this year?
Firelings, them.
Yeah.
A couple of artists passed through, Nesbitt them and a couple of artists.
Okay.
I worked for 9 Badness. A couple of selected from the era.
Yeah.
Sure, like them. A couple of Bass Odyssey and a couple more.
Yeah. Definitely, because I know when it comes to the general's birthday, it's good. So you left from Jamaica and then you went to Miami?
No, I got New York first.
Yeah.
The one in Brooklyn, then Miami.
Yeah.
Then go back to New York and the next one, then here.
Okay. And how have those been?
Everything sold out.
Yeah.
All of them was good. Just the one here I never keep. I don't know why it happened, but
Yeah.
all the rest of them.
Good.
Miami
Proper.
was great, terrible. Me and Kareem Ibe and Renaissance, them, Jazzy T, them, everybody was there.
Mm-hmm.
Miami one was, it couldn't even hold the people. Them.
Okay.
Yeah, man, big.
They well wanted to see the general.
Man, Miami one was sold out.
Yeah. All right, let's take it back to the beginning of stuff here. How did you get the name Pink Panther?
From school, you know?
Yeah.
Mr. the break dance. Yeah, from Seaview Garden.
Yeah.
Me and Nitty Kutchi them.
Yes.
Nitty Kutchi, Boom Dynamite, the whole of the Young Alliance them.
Mm-hmm.
We used to have a group
Yeah.
where we used to join and clash together, Seaview Garden. From way back.
Yeah.
So before Killer Bus.
Yeah. Okay.
From Killer Lane, Bounty Hunter.
Yeah.
We had the dancing, me and Dynamite them and Nitty Kutchi them. It's a break dance and things. So
It's dancing.
from school time to them break dance thing there, I something give that name.
Okay. Yeah, man, because it's, especially for you being in sound business and entertainment, I know especially saying Pink would have been something interesting, so I was surprised that you got away with something like that for so long. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, they will try to use it against me, but it didn't work out.
It didn't work out. They don't know you really have, you as Panther has 9 lives, and when you're on Black Cat, you had another 9, so it's really 18 lives you had. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The real war general. Okay, so from then, so how do you get into sound business? Because I found a cassette a couple of years ago where you were actually DJing, artist DJing around the sound. And this was from about 88?
Oh.
Yeah.
You mean I mess around, but I wasn't a DJ really.
Yeah.
I'm a selector, but
Yeah.
you know me, I mess around a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm starting the music now, like a selector.
Yeah.
From a sound named Viewmaster from Seaview Garden.
Viewmaster.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
little sound in that era.
Yeah.
Them man really first put me on a sound as a selector.
Yeah.
Then me leave go play next song named Russell.
I know that song there now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Russell come from over Russell Road, but Jungle Mount, so.
Mm-hmm.
I used to lock the whole of Kingston 5.
Yeah.
Road of Jungle, so. From General Stark at them time, and me play the memorial and them sitting there.
Okay.
Yeah, man. The whole of Kingston 5, man. Go back around at 13, so, man.
Yeah.
And then after Russell now, here comes Black Cat.
So how long were you on Russell for?
A good while, you know.
Yeah.
Right through my school, at Russell, I play.
Okay.
And when Russell died, I really leave with Black Cat.
Okay.
Black Cat been checking me
Yeah.
for a selector. Because I'm selling the sound and been a check me, but I never go down there. Because I'm telling me, me a King Studio, and I'm telling me, I never interested if you go down the side there.
Mm-hmm.
And them keep on a link. So when Russell pass off now, I just decide, say, all right, you know what?
Yeah.
I'll give them a try now. Because them just selling the sound from Philadelphia.
So the sound was originally built in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
But it didn't have any selector. It was actual sound system that they built.
No selector. Them never like a man running them junior bus, but I just want a family member that do a thing.
Yeah.
And me really go start everything.
Yeah.
Originally. From scratch.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What about, I remember those times you had a selector named Stevie, the one-arm selector.
Yes, he was a part of a team from early out. Mm-hmm. One of them died now, God bless him soul, you know.
Oh, you died?
Yeah, man, he died, man. Some rubber going on bar, Jamaican, you know.
Yeah.
And you have Yunzi.
Mm-hmm.
So them there was the original man around. I was there before all of them doing that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Me joined the team, and then I go for Yunzi.
Yeah.
And then I go for Stevie.
Okay.
Because them the sound the bus now and start get a lot of shows and date. So when they want help, so them youth, they used to play some other like a sound in the same area.
Okay.
So me and I want to reach out to them and say, yo, come join the team, man. I want help. Mm-hmm. And then be happy for come because them time the Black Cat crap up the whole of the country.
And what year was this?
Them time they're about 90, you know.
Yeah.
90.
Because...
We start going there about 89, but at 90, we get the big goal, really.
Okay, that's how long Black Cat was on the scene.
Yeah, from 89, we did it.
Yeah.
But the sound bus 90.
Yeah.
Worldwide bus, where everybody I talk about. So, and them youth joined the team about 91.
Yeah.
I was there like 2 years before them.
Got you.
Until them joined the team, you know?
Yeah, because I remember when I really got introduced to Black Cat was around 93.
Yeah.
And I remember you killed Metro Media around those times.
Yeah, 93 is when we just started tour.
Okay.
Yeah, February 93, we can't forget that.
Yeah.
First time I ever got on a plane.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, it was because of sound business was made you start flying from back then.
Really, where I really go? My father lived in the US.
Yeah.
He was filing for me too at the time. Mm-hmm. Me end up busting now and I get popular, but and the whole world I was see me and nobody on the sound could travel.
Got you.
Same time got so good as my filing come true. So 93 we start tour.
Yeah.
Same as make the papers them we start take the overseas show them. And bam, we do the first show we do in Queens. With King, I got an Irish and Chin them where clash now.
Yeah.
I'm the first one to give them a show in New York. Turn them in a promoter, man. Yeah, them remember like a sound in King Agane.
Yes, I know that. And Killer Boo was on the sound too, or he came after?
No,
or
he was
around?
there.
Yeah.
We were on the same time, I think.
Yeah.
We do a show for them at Queens, then we got kill King Addies at Brooklyn the other week. You must hear about Biltmore Ballroom.
Of course.
Well, that was the biggest clash ever kept in New York. When Pink Panther landed in New York with Black Cat.
Yeah.
First time ever. Mash up King Addies, bad.
Yeah.
Right now, from that, I don't think the venue open back.
Yeah.
They changed it. They turned the venue in a fish shop now. Mash it up, man.
Yeah.
That's a Biltmore Ballroom. That's my second show in America.
Okay. Ever? Yeah. That was your first time ever meeting the big bad King Addies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There's Jamaican I hear about them and them book the shows, them clash record. Them realize that we get tune off to start tour and then book the date, you know?
Mm-hmm. Okay, and that was the only 2 dates that you had taken in the U.S. at that time there?
I tell you, me take some more show, but it wasn't clash.
Yeah.
We did some like a normal party all over the place. Mm-hmm. But that was a major clash I take at that time.
Yeah. And from there, that really set the fire.
Yes. Then we start tour. Then we start forward over that side. What Canada side, so. Mm-hmm. And go about drop on everywhere.
Yeah.
Call me. The whole world start call me. Mm-hmm. So the story started till Yunzi end up getting papers and start touring me. Then Stevie started touring me after.
Okay, so you were a one-man show at that time there?
Yeah, when I was touring before, all of them.
Yeah.
Because them never on the papers.
Yeah. So you took on King Addies by yourself?
Me alone, mix and talk, do everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Great.
I can do everything.
I know that when I showed you those flyers.
That's because of, you know, the team get bigger and everybody have to eat and me work more comfortable if me have somebody that mixing me. So I can perform on the stage.
Yeah.
But I can't do everything.
Yeah.
Me alone. Because a couple of the World Clash them and me alone go win them. I think the one at England and me alone they go.
It was you alone?
Yeah. I mean, me call one, look at you from out of the crowd if you can mix. When I win at England,
yeah.
I look at you, somebody else say, my selector, I say, yo, come mix them song for me.
Yeah.
I'm going to win a World Clash there.
Yeah.
No. Come to Canada alone, come win too.
Yes, I remember.
Stevie, I usually never come neither.
It was you and Dino.
Yes.
Yes.
Me come and see Dino.
Yes.
I'm going to tell Dino if just mix two songs to me. And like me and him come on the show. Me alone come on the show. Me drive, as a matter of fact, me drive from New York come on the show there.
Okay.
Yeah, me and Irish and Chin them drive across the border.
Yeah.
And come to the show there.
And a lot of people wouldn't know that.
Yeah, me alone, all of them clash there.
Yeah.
And then after, you see them start join the team. Them get them papers and start traveling me.
Mm-hmm. So you'd say out of all of your world clashes that you had, the 9 titles that you got, we know you won 9. How much were you actually in?
I mean, how much are in?
Okay, you didn't win every world clash you were in.
No,
Yeah.
I lose some. Me probably going about 11.
Okay.
I had 12 somewhere there. About 12.
Mm-hmm.
Win 9 out of them.
Yeah.
And a matter of fact, I 2 instrument creating them.
Mm-hmm.
Different from winning the most.
Yeah.
I'm the only one who win 5 straight.
Yeah.
Remember I say everybody win,
Yeah.
But they win, lose back like the other one. Go back and win. Go back. Me take off the wall. It was a series.
Yeah.
Irish and Chin do a series. It's a series. At the time was New York, Canada, Jamaica,
UK.
Mm-hmm. And me wipe off the whole series. Go back, go double up New York.
Yeah.
I make 5 straight. Like me that win New York first. Go back, go win Jamaica, Canada, England, and go back and New York, go win back again.
History.
That's a separate history.
Yeah.
5 straight. Nobody never do that yet.
Amazing.
So it's 2 separate history create.
Yeah. What was the powers that gave you, where did you find that energy to win those 5 back to back to back to back to back?
Yeah, so I just put my mind to it and decide because, a matter of fact, at them time, every world clash me going as underdog, them say me I go lose.
Yeah.
Nobody, I've never sell favorite yet.
Mm-hmm.
Them always say, him not a song, man, him can't win.
Yeah.
Hey, this, he not a show, him I got dead first round, him this. At the end of the night, I me win.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I just put my hands on all night and and just be myself and play like how Panther play.
Mm-hmm.
I'm end up win.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So 2 history me create.
What would you say are your 3 most memorable moments in the world clashes that you've had? Out of the 9, the 3 most memorable ones.
Remember the one where I say road to Attempts, because that was a very important one.
Yes.
Everybody they wanted to win that one in Jamaica at that time.
Mm-hmm.
That was me and Tony Matter and I think based on this year again. Mighty Crown, one of them. Be a big gun.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that year was a big year for Irish and Chin them. Because I with a lot of sponsor. Puma involved, the Prime Minister they involved. And then we put the prize for who win. We're going to represent Jamaica attempts at the Olympic.
Okay. Yes.
So everybody they want it. At the time they say, yeah man, Matter I go win, man. This I go win. Panther I go win it. I kill him like a dog. Me end up going to represent Jamaica at the Olympic. It was me, Buju Banton. Buju was there.
Yeah.
Shakademus players, Barrington Levy, Assassin. Yeah. Can't forget that show then. We played the ceremony.
Yeah.
That time Usain Bolt start winning. The time there Asafa.
Yes.
America came to win.
Mm-hmm.
And then me play the ceremony. Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
It's a big, big thing.
Yeah.
Everybody they want to win that one. And I mean, like the Canada one too. Because I was so unprepared, the Canada one. I can't believe I win it.
Yeah.
Because I'm in New York and Papa can't take a date. Anyway, me never get a permit.
Yeah.
So I said, I never got a clash.
Mm-hmm.
So I never prepare for it. I said to America, I said, Papa said, I do the clash.
Mm-hmm.
If you tell Chin, I can't do it. Anyway, chin them call and start choir. I said, boy, you have to do it because I promote it and people will look forward to see Black Cat and Panther. I say, chin, I really want to do it because I never get to go back to Jamaica and prepare for it.
Got you.
Me up there for 2 months and do some tour, some normal parties.
Okay.
And Papa Cat said, you know what, can we go, man? I'm going to bomb. And I said, they said, they want to pick me up. They didn't want me to fly, but they want me to come. They want to drive, go over there.
Yeah. You're making sure that you come.
I said, all right. I said, bomb, and they pick me up, I would drive. 9 hours. I can't forget.
Yeah.
Me alone and God. No, me alone come over here. And then, all right, become Dino. Because Dino was a part of the team from Jamaica. You know?
He had told me that too, 'cause I know Dino personally.
Yeah, before
also.
him come here, come live. So, I realized him up here. So I said, well, mix 2 songs for me. Man.
Yeah.
I said, I'm Dino. Him don't know what we have lately, because a long time he left.
Yeah.
But you, is that you to be familiar with me, sir? I can mix them songs. Anything me say if I play, just play them.
Yeah.
I end up beating man them bad.
I remember, listen, I was at that World Clash. And I remember, we're going to be honest here, Mighty Crown was actually leading that dance.
Yeah, remember.
You came on stage and said, listen, if Mighty Crown wins this round right now, the dance is going to be over. And this is early in the clash.
Yeah.
From right there, downhill for Mighty Crown.
Yeah.
Downhill.
yeah, that's how Clash go. That's what people don't understand.
Yeah.
Clash business is a package. It's not just who have the most song. A lot of sound they have sung, you know. We know crazy sound in Jamaica.
Cataract and all of these
full of
songs.
song. I never win a single can from them band. You have to know if you do the business, it's a whole teamwork. You have to know what you say to the people, what timing, good timing, if you perform a song, and if you entertain your audience.
Yeah.
So it's a whole package of things. So some of the money must cut this bag of song and I say, hey, I'm ready for work. And I say, no.
It's not like that at all.
Because me, sister, the money could have win. And everybody has said, boy, Panther, you did tonight. And so me just, when them play me the backstage, I meditate, I say, all right, I'm going to draw the card now, you know. Because we can't make them win this. Yes, so you end up it fast. You have to think quick as a class specialist. So at them time, let me have enough selector.
Yeah.
Quick thinking. Swift movements and do the right thing.
Yeah.
But that's what me have most selectors. For me, but still now, that's what hold me up in the business.
Was thinking on your feet, quick thinking.
Yes.
You're the first person that I've known in the Clash world also to smile with the crowd. Bad man, it's like you brought the bad man joke to life.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes, I take it for fun. I do it naturally, because that's how I stay from originally.
Yeah.
You can't know when I'm under pressure. You can't never know. No matter how you're a leader and go on, you can't see it from me. It's going to do nothing to me.
Yeah.
That's all me. It's a natural thing to me. And that's some stay. I not pretend to perform that way there. And that's some stay.
And it just happens to work in the Sound Clash arena.
Yes.
No, your vibe and what you bring is always crazy. So give us one more memorable time from a World Clash, because you gave us 2, give us one more, and then we'll get to the other stuff.
Remember a time? From World Clash series?
No, from the series, where one of them where you won, where you said, yeah, man, this was a special one.
Oh, I tell me I'm again about the one in Canada. All right. We should have won now, I can't see. I think UK was a member one too, you know.
Yeah.
UK was a good one. Because at that time there, I mean, if you win, when I hear it, I'm going to cuss a bad word.
Yes.
And them disqualify me. Yes, because I was supposed to win that year.
Yeah.
And for some reason, when they make mistake, I'm cuss a bad word in my round with no profanity there. And they end up disqualifying me. So I end up go back feet. And it was very important to me to win the one day. At the same time, I make us call a little youth from up there named Ryan Killer.
Yeah. Yes, I remember
Oh,
that one there too.
dude.
Yes.
Me don't know him from nowhere.
Yeah.
I had some link with my brother them around me. I said, Panther, you can mix, you know.
Yeah.
Make him mix 2 songs for you so you can perform. Because the people I'm loving them see me on stage.
Of course. Of
So
course.
I say, you so them 10 songs, yeah? Play them in the line, come down. Just when we go, so you just play them. You don't do nothing more, just play them. I start, go low, I say low, push. Yeah, and that's it.
Yeah.
They don't know the guy from nowhere.
That's why.
I told him in a star.
Because I remember that as clear as day. Never seen him before, never seen him after, but I remember that time there.
Yes, I'm telling big star in England now, because I win World Clash in Ping Pong.
Yeah.
That man never dreaming to do something like that.
Yeah.
And that's why I look at you to have a little laptop and play a 2 little party.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And he
man.
got to mix for the general.
You Jamaica, you know, too. He always a link me.
Okay.
He never forget that day.
Yeah. You change, when you have the power to change somebody's life, to get him a blight.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? You gave him that blight and said, you know what, come. You know what I mean? Let's do something. So as a war general, war tanker, how do you prepare for a sound clash? Walk us from A to Z, how you prepare, whether it's mentally, tune. How do you prepare?
Yes, it's a combination, you know.
Okay.
Mentally, tune, everything have to work together. As I told you before, you not just cut the song them alone.
Yeah.
All the meds. And some of the time, honestly, I can't tell what I'm going to say on the stage, you know.
Yeah. You don't practice it.
No,
Yeah.
it flow naturally.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to say. If me ask what I'm going to say tonight, I can't tell you.
Yeah.
I work for my vibes.
Yeah.
And what my mind tell me to say.
Yeah.
So my thing flow. So
Yeah.
I know some have natural talent. I sit down and rehearse. I say, all right, I'm going to tell him for this, I'm going to tell him for that.
Yeah.
Never do that yet. Just when I have my song them together, have them on the rhythm when me want them, at the time, me want them for drop.
Then you're good to go.
I mean, I always make, what I always do, I always make a loophole in everything me do. Like, when I have a song, me fix it away. That if you even counteract it,
Yeah.
me have something for counteract. Where you are counteract it, say.
Yeah.
Like, me just picture what you can say about the song.
Yeah.
And know me can go back to say about you. So what me think?
You have to think 10 steps ahead.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Well, that's one next thing that about me enough man don't know.
Yeah.
And enough things I don't have that about them. Yeah, so whatever you tell every time I say, me have something to come back and tell you.
Yeah. And you design it. It's almost like you're playing chess with them. You design it that way to make them say something so you could come back and counteract what they're saying.
Most of the time I do
Yeah.
it.
You set them up.
Yeah, man, I know.
I know one of your biggest competitor, I would probably think your biggest competitor that you clash with the most would be probably Ricky Trooper.
Yeah, definitely.
From Jaro days to Sound Trooper
Yeah,
days.
definitely.
You know what I
Because
mean?
Black Cat and Jara clash a lot back in the early 90s.
Yeah.
Like, no song never one played Black Cat.
Yeah.
Because I say, yo, bad man son and be a war boat, they man, they want to chop you up. Because Black Cat have some crazy fans in Jamaica.
Oh, you don't have to tell me.
But I tell you so, them time there, every song them man born with a sound system.
Yeah.
Remember Louis they have a thing there?
Yes, yes,
Them
yes.
take rate on that, they say then we in there with one rule.
Yeah.
Some sound system association thing.
Yes, I remember.
Born with it.
You got banned. So there was only certain songs that you could play with that I guess weren't in it also at that time. then.
Yeah, so Jara said Jara decides Jara in there now.
Yeah.
But Jara tell Louis say him no matter what they want ban Black Cat, he might play with we.
Yeah.
Because they rate Black Cat songs.
Yeah.
So Papa, me have to big up Papa Jara.
Yeah.
Because when nobody want to play it, he might take me to do it.
Yeah.
When Louis there's a song that said, don't play Black Cat if you have some penalty or something will come out of it.
But what was it? Why it was like almost like them versus you. Everybody versus Black Cat. What was the reason?
Because we both sometimes I kill everything like if jealousy or they must say, oh, it's just a country song that's rise up and I kill everybody son.
Yeah.
We him have song and a song and it. Them find one heap of foolishness to say. So man must say, oh, him not a song and him a kill it. Them find so much fault. Say, oh, him a win so much clash. How will you use win? I know that song. In this and his place down and in this and I don't know what they don't say about me.
Yeah.
At the end of the night, I end up killing them.
Yeah.
Come in and watch them and say, I do my work. I do what me know I can do.
Yeah.
So them always have something to say against me. So I never watch them. I just do my thing.
Your thing. Because I remember specifically, like, if we're going to say songs, I remember specifically Stone Love, in particular, was not playing with Black Cat at all.
Them try to get that a lot. People at Canada try to get idiot. America can still say no, not playing. I think up to today they don't play Black Cat, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but me and Father Paul good.
Yeah.
Because Father Paul is one of the guys that we kind of didn't discover me from me I play Russell too, you know.
Got you.
I was supposed to play Stone Love at the time.
What?
Yeah, when me play Russell, Father Paul them used to link me. Because them used to come listen to Russell.
Yeah.
Because them turn the Russell around the world at 13, Kingston 5. See me or Stone Lover.
Yeah.
A jungle listen.
Same area.
Yeah, so Father Paul used to link me. And this is something to me like, you know, if me not play Stone Love. But him see, like, actually, I watch my career grow. Like, him see say me is a war man, like.
You're not going to fit inside of that Stone Love.
Yeah, so.
Pretty.
Yeah, so
you know
he
what I mean?
realized, you know what? You're different if I speak. You're a killer. Yeah, and this one I wouldn't bother make it go further.
Yeah.
You can see say me a war boat. So me plays Stone Love now go fit in.
Yeah, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
So has Black Cat ever played with Stone Love?
I think them play one time, but the two songs never string up.
Yeah.
Them play on an event with 20 minutes pan.
Got you.
That's a long after the argument done and a fade out. Then they play on like event, but it wasn't a major like Black Cat Stone Love.
Got you.
Other people dip on it.
Yeah.
And we end up dip on the same show, them dip on. But up to today, we never play like a decent dance Stone Love yet.
Black Cat, Stone Love, one-on-one.
Never.
Juggled from beginning to end.
Never.
Never.
People always want it.
Yeah.
Up to today, people don't like it, but they never do that yet.
Never. Because I guess the songs were so different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It would be hard to find the middle.
And Weepo is from Manchester too, you know. The same Black Cat era.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, man, Weepo is right where Black Cat is from.
So let me get this. Paul is from Manchester and you're from Seaview.
Yeah.
So it's almost like you guys switched. You went to country and he came to town.
Yes. yeah. Because he come from Manchester originally.
Yeah.
Because I know him family them down there, so.
Okay. So did you actually live in Manchester too, or you just played the song and went back to town?
I used to go back as a traveler.
Yeah.
I used to just come, because them I go to school. Back and forth.
Yeah. Stay out there for the weekend type of
After
thing.
that, when Black Cat bus now and probably, I say, you know what, I'm going to move to Manchester.
Okay.
So I'm going to
Because that's almost backwards in Jamaica. Usually you're in country, you want to come to town. Rarely you're in town and you go to country.
Yes.
How was that to adjust for you? How was the adjustment?
At that time, through me, but they see if you want to grow up, that's how the whole I think them. And
Yeah.
them, we used to play the song like, and as we done, I want to go back home.
Yeah.
And sometimes them have dance, I'm not going on at all. So
Yeah.
them start saying, no man, you have to come on, and the people in my heart see you down here, and really. Till bad vibes start when I see you now, you know.
Okay.
All the part of the things start. My mother say, you know what? But you stay in the country and your friend them.
Yeah.
Because I know you get mixed up in that area. And so I end up start stay down there.
Got you.
Then I start tour. My father filed for me to come through.
Yeah. So you were touring those times almost as an American citizen, but you were still living in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So you could go
I've
anywhere.
never lived in America yet.
Yeah. You just have the papers to do what you need.
The longest I've ever stayed in America is when I'm waiting on my green card.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
I don't like to live in foreign.
Okay.
Never.
You just like to visit, do what you're doing, and
Let me
go
show
back.
and leave.
Yeah.
First flight out.
Yeah.
'Cause up to today, people don't even know that I'm an American citizen.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I'm going to stay there.
Yeah.
I just got to do my show. Me and my father catch up a ride. Because I say, spend much money, file for me. I made this typical this sound business. And so, tell them never know how popular me is.
Yeah.
Till people start tell him now, till him go find out, say, come have some restaurant over there, you know.
Okay.
So, me end up go up now and go check him at the restaurant. And him go tell people, say, my big son, I think I say, Panther, you boy. Say, I wonder when my Christmas excitement one bag of excitement. I must say, you don't know that I'm a big old superstar son that, yeah. So he realized how big me is. Because people are telling him, but he treat him so old-fashioned, he don't understand. Even stepmother I tell him. I say, yo, your son big, you know, and all of her. So after him, he accept it, you know.
Yeah.
So you see why I choose to stay in Jamaica.
Got you. So what did he want you to come up to the States and do? What kind of work did he want you to come do?
Like, I come up to say, go back to school and do something, you know, the regular routine in America. Go to a nurse or do some food. I mean, I said, Daddy, no.
So that's not you at all.
I mean, Daddy, a killer.
Yeah.
and me, I say, my stepmother told me, no, music is not like your time of day, you know.
Yeah.
Selectors just come like an artist. They can make a sensible living out of it. Because she come down, him not come to Jamaica for much years, you know.
Okay.
But my stepmother is a traveler. So she come to Jamaica and see my achievement. And she say, me I do well. And she go back to him and say, yo, Daddy, leave Panther alone. He might do very good at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Whatever I do at work. So stop kill up yourself about if you come back and leave and So I say him start working the program.
And I said, okay, you know what? You're your own big man. I see what's going on.
Yeah.
You do your thing, because clearly you must know how you want your life to be.
Yeah, so him realize now, say, something good me I do, I'm going to mix up on a problem down there. That's music me I deal with. So I saw him start appreciating me, I don't know, people start telling me, you know.
And that's how it goes. So even with dub plates now, you actually go to the studio and cut at that time, or Papa Cat or whoever would just bring it to you?
No, me. Papa Cat don't know about studio, man. Me do everything.
Okay.
Not even using them. I follow more than they follow me nowadays, but me go to studio, go sleep all over concrete. I wait for artists.
Because you know how studio business is already.
Man. Wait for one man drop on a sleep. Yeah, man. Me used to do everything.
Yeah.
I scare someone say, Yunzi, me get this or me get that. And sometimes I correspond on the phone and tell him, say, we're going to put it on a rhythm here, we're going to do this.
Yeah.
But I mean, do everything. Papa Cat and I'm going to go to town. No one there ever follow away. But Papa Cat is not a man like a upfront man. He's like a easy going brother. Papa Cat, when they are saying, I know same there.
I've never seen a picture or a video of Papa Cat one
it's
day
like
yet.
Him quiet and cool, him not talk.
Yeah.
So him left everything to me. I mean, used to do everything.
Okay. I guess he just had a real love for sound system business while he built
man,
the
he's a
song.
man who love music, man. But you know, I get him in the upfront, and the upfront type of man. He just easy laid back, you know.
Yeah. I know when you were in your prime on Black Cat, at one time there was an issue, well, not even an issue, there was a rumor, I don't know how true it was, you were supposed to go to play King Addies.
Yeah, well, them check me too.
Yeah.
Them check me too. But I couldn't see myself playing another song. You know, I'm not a run-up on young selector like that.
Yeah.
If you notice from me on Black Cat, me not play no other song.
Yeah.
You have no selector play all 10 songs.
And especially at that time when everybody was leaving their song to go do whatever they're
Yeah,
doing.
man. Them check me, man. But me tell them, can them send for me at Jamaica? I'm telling you, boy, I think about it.
Yeah.
But me know something I'm not going to do it. I say, I think about it. But I'm going to say, oh, Father, I'm not going to do it, you know.
Yeah.
Because Black is a soul, I love. Because I start with it from nothing. That's why I decided to go solo. I decided to say, boy, I prefer to go solo more than play the next song.
Yeah.
But I want to play the more song. No matter how much money I give me. Because a lot of songs check me.
Okay. Like which other songs came by and came give you a check?
Enough songs you don't know. Not popular like that, but other songs check me.
Okay.
Yeah. Even one that time 4x4 they check me too, you know.
Yeah.
Dust them.
Yeah. Of course. We know big 4x with Little Wicked and all those.
Yeah, man.
Pancho.
Yeah, they check me that time. And a couple more people check me.
But those times, who was hot was Black Cat, 4x4, Super D, Gemini, Exodus Nuclear, Bass Odyssey.
Yeah.
Those were the bad songs at that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Talking about Bass Odyssey, Squingy, that seems like that was another one of your brethren.
Yes, Bonify. Come check my house and all advice, everything. Yeah, man. I always look up, rate me. Yeah, because me and them boss actually the same time, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, basically the same Black Cat come out.
Yeah.
Actually the same year.
Got you.
Two was same time.
And then he totally rated your vibe. You rated his vibe.
Yeah, man. We clash a lot.
Yeah.
Time too.
Yeah, 'cause if you follow on stage and you look at what you guys are doing, you'd swear you guys are mortal enemies. But if you look after time, you say everybody's cool. You know what I mean? Because Squingy told you things and you told back Squingy things too.
Yeah, man. Me and Squingy, good man. Good friend.
Yeah.
In past, I was a great selector.
Now, what was the issue why you even decided to say, you know what? I've won these 9 trophies. It's time to move on to my own. Was there an issue or you just figured, you know what? Time now.
This I don't know much, you know. My Papa Cat, let's have a look at misunderstanding and what
Okay.
say. You know what? I'm going to try a thing for myself now.
Yeah.
And I decided to lead. But up to today, me and Papa Cat still good, you know.
Of course.
Because the party, the one I'm doing in New York, Papa Cat was there.
Okay.
Yeah, man, them come.
Even though nobody in the world knows who Papa Cat is, he was there though.
Yeah, well, couple people know him.
Yeah.
Like Gary, them know him. Because Gary, them family, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm up on them.
That makes 100% sense.
Yeah, man, same area them come from. Family, some cousin business. Yeah,
'Cause
man.
all he ever talks about from them time there
Yeah.
is Black Cat.
Yeah.
Black Cat could have been on top or Black Cat could have been going on with nothing. Black Cat.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So I'm just going to tell you guys, we're going to go off topic for one quick second. You're going to hear Panther coughing a bit. He's a bit under the weather because outside is cold.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Outside is cold. And he's been touring between Canada, U.S., Jamaica, and everywhere. So it's in between the cold, hot.
Yeah.
So then it's going to really get to you. You know what I mean?
They might give me horse me up, bad.
Yeah. And that's your thing here. That's your weapon of choice.
Yeah.
So you need it.
Definitely. I want to pass through the girl in my party later.
Yeah.
Too.
Tasha Roses.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Wow, that's crazy.
I have a 6 o'clock flight in the morning. So
Yeah.
I have a busy life, you know.
Yeah. So even when we don't see you on the front page like we would one time, you're still doing a lot of work right now.
I'm ever tour, man. Japan everywhere.
Yeah.
We go to Japan every year, you know.
Okay.
All about.
Yeah.
Probably somebody that I post them or whatever, but I'm always
Yeah.
busy.
Where is one place?
I may play every week at Jamaica.
Okay.
All about.
Yeah.
All about.
Where's one place that you haven't been that you want to go to play music?
Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, I'm not going to say it.
Yeah.
Cockatoo linked me, say, we're supposed to go down there sometime next year.
Okay.
Yeah, for the tour, yeah.
Yeah.
I always want to go down there and tell me.
Okay.
I think Freddie got it one time.
Yeah.
So I said, nice. Yeah, more and play down there. The only place where music play, I'm not go yet.
That's
I go
it.
everywhere.
Because
Done
of
up the
music.
whole of Europe. Bam, Canada, go right down back. The whole of US, everywhere. And I move 90% of the Caribbean them.
Yeah. You've been there. Living legend. You know what I mean? Do
What
you
about-
feel like when people say, yes, General, you're the legend, do you feel that in your heart or do you just feel like you're doing your work and it just happened to be legend status?
Yeah, I feel my work, I'm put it in.
Yeah.
I'm appreciate it, so them recognize it.
Yeah. It's crazy. You know what? I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Yeah, I'm going to ask you a couple more questions because I know when it comes to yes.
You have a cut out to my because, you know,
Yeah.
sick.
Yeah. No, but I'm glad that you still came. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? You said, okay, you know what? You're going to try to and see what's going on. You know what I mean? Name some of the other war selectors that you really rate. Somebody that you killed and they killed you back. It's like you guys have, besides Trooper and Squingy them. And take away the dinosaurs, okay? Some other selectors that you rate. They might have played 1 or 2 dance, or you just seen them 1 or 2. Some people that you
When
rate.
they rate Winter Fresh.
Turbophonic.
Yes.
Yeah.
When they rate that youth there. They come out in bus, you know. Him end up, him nearly for bus. I don't know what happened, man. In some very easy term.
Yeah.
Him the bad. Because out of the box now, different from the general them.
Yeah.
Let's see what they rate again. Always give me a hard time. Him telling me I don't get that much hard time, you know?
Yeah.
Him telling me kill everybody like breeze, you know? So me really don't have no, if you telling them much, give me, because them telling me I me kill from left to right.
Yeah.
No matter what size you is, you're dead.
Yeah. I remember the beating you put on Sky Juice in 1993.
Yeah, man.
You know
I
what I
kill
mean?
him. I'm a class eat and run left all and son.
What?
Yeah, man. Me and them clash at Manchester. But if you come here, you can't find them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pack up
Yeah.
and gone.
Were you a area selector or you didn't care?
Them.
Yes, I remember them too, yes?
Man, mash up them bad too.
Yeah.
Mash up them so them. Why son the Rambo Mango?
Yes, remember, that was early though. That was like
Yeah.
late 80s, early 90s.
You remember Cannon?
Yes, remember that too?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You see, originally, my job was selling music. But originally, what I came in listening to song. Like, my favorite song of all times is King Sirmar's Roots Hi-Fi.
Okay.
That's my favorite song.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So we're listening from Jammies, Jaro.
With Supercat them.
Yes, man. Supercat, Nicodemus, Tennessee, Nitty Gritty, Yami, Bolo, Bora Bantan, Cutty Ranks. That's my song.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I'll listen to Sir Mars from now till tomorrow. You know what I mean? When you were first coming out, my brethren, Scorpion, he said, yo, listen, Tonka. I said, yeah, Tonka's okay, but, you know what I mean? I'm okay. But he told me, nah, man, Tonka. Till I lived to see Tonka do 9 World Clash. I said, Scorps, you know what you're talking about. Because your style was so different.
I'm telling you about it Tonka before.
Yeah, yes.
Before it happened.
Yes, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because you see his presentation, no?
Because your style was so different. You didn't have the reach, you know. That's
No,
really
I mean, come in the raw thing.
Yeah.
I mean, come the raw thing, I mean, start that.
Yeah.
So everybody afraid of me.
Yeah. That's why they said you're the war boat. They have to kind of leave you alone. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Chin said, when we do an interview with Chin, everybody, they say, when we just come to America, them think that Jesus come. 2 people look up to me. 2 the sound system and soul station look up to me to believe in music.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Everybody will rise now. Will rise as a sound clash selector, want to be like Pink Panther. My style, I'm like.
Yeah. It's rough. It's different. It's where it's almost like you would take lick and you kill lick.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's not like if you looked at your record, let's look at Panther's record. If you had 100 clashes, out of the 100, you might have won 60. 65. So then there's 30 that you lost. You know, your losses are public, but your wins are amazing.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
Mighty Crown. You remember when you first clashed Mighty Crown?
Yeah, I think so.
When you had to go brook them up wicked and they had the bag of songs and you had no music like Mighty Crown. You know?
Never.
And you had to rough them up. And you're the one that also said you can't be afraid to flap. You have to bust through.
Yeah, man. When I mean start that, that's how next power me have for bust new artists and new song.
Yeah.
That's a part of my career.
Yeah.
All of my CD them back in the time when you talk, I woolly pan look at the young song about them.
Of course, it's your artists. Them were Predator, Ninja Ford.
Yeah, them kind of people. Chronicle, I thought Chronic Smart.
Yes, you know what I mean. That was who you were playing. It's like, who are these guys? You know what I mean?
So I come and New York comes a Chuck friend and me end up bust Chuck friend.
Yes, I remember that too. Shut him out when bad man talking.
New York, I come meet him.
Yeah.
I'm advise him on a Dan one studio.
Yes, I remember that one
I'm
too.
tell him to come home, say bad. Yeah, man, and I'm in my circle them time there.
Yeah. What was it you liked about the young artists? Yes, yes. What was it you liked about those artists opposed to the? Because if you grew up with Bunty and all of these guys are accessible.
You just love me have it, like, all right, me's a brave selector.
Clearly.
Me don't care what you want name. For your song bad,
Yeah.
me I play that.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to play it.
Yeah.
No selector afraid. You know why they're afraid to play it? They're afraid for the forward.
Yes.
And if it's not a cartel or a bad, it's a go flop.
Yeah.
But me don't look for music that end there. Me look for music wider than that. From the song Say When Me Want Hear You Say, bad, me I play that, I could have one dog see.
Yes. Pea's Head, Little Hero,
man.
you name it. It's like, where is Tonka finding these guys? Why do you want to play these guys? And there's Bojo Bounty beating.
Yeah, everybody I play them bag of this and bag of that. And them songs that me use.
Yeah.
Anthony and Monster.
Yeah.
Up to the day. If you listen all of my CD, them full of them the artists way I
talk. Well, how did you choose the Chronicle and Yunzi?
Number one, we never rich like that. Our sons We never have no money like some son.
Yeah.
We couldn't afford the bagger. If we cut out 1.5 bujo, when a man we cut out 20 bujo, we can cut 3.
Yeah. So you make sure you know what you're doing with these 3 right
Yes,
here.
and make it up in my record artist them.
Yeah.
That's what me has to do. Me have to plan out my thing whenever I have the money.
Yeah.
My boss ever rich.
Yeah.
You understand?
Makes sense.
Yes,
you know?
so me just decide if I just use them I have.
Yeah. How did Chronicles become the anthem for Black Cat? Chronicle and Yunzi combination.
Alright.
That's a weird combo.
Me make that song then.
Yeah.
Same as I to me love young artists and new
Yeah.
song. Junzi can sing.
Yeah.
So me chronically done that sing in the name of the Lord already.
Okay.
Usually I was to sing that song. Like he used to sing a song like barbecue, school, something.
Yeah.
Can't sing good enough.
Okay.
But he never take it as a career.
Yeah.
So me say usually I make a chronicle a combination. You know?
Yeah.
Me when you start say she goes out, I want chronicle come in and say in the name of the Lord, Black Cat looking teeth.
Yeah.
I mean make the song.
You program that song.
And the song was big like a if I hear the music, you have to know that song.
100%. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Big song.
Yeah, man. Them time the Chronics don't ban it.
Yeah.
Chronics, you know, is Papa Cat, Godson, you know.
Okay.
When me got Black Cat, me go to go see Chronic, you know.
Yeah.
Chronic was with around Black Cat before me, you know. Like, him go there as an artist.
Yeah.
Because Black Cat just come out like Jar and them, you know, with artists that sing for it, you know.
Black Cat had artists around the
I
song?
saw them the one bust it.
Yeah.
That's all them did aim when they have.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, because when me go down there, because of Prince Jr.,
Yes.
I took care of the brother. Chronicle, all of them people there. Me
Yeah.
go down that country, go see them. Them are go down there before me.
Yeah.
Go sing for the sound.
Okay.
So when me go so now, so at them time the Chronics is Chronicle first youth.
Got you.
So and then me come get understand say a Papa Cat. Two women Papa Cat that come from so far as bridging.
Yeah.
Papa Cat end up turning Chronic's godfather.
Amazing.
As
Yeah.
the Chronics come most big there now.
Crazy.
Cause me and Chronic's the reason that in grew up come here, the whole ropes and everything thing go.
Yeah.
And no say he used to down a Black Cat the same way and bed as like a pitney. And Chronic is going to go sing. Cause he used to try to sing like Barrington Levy.
Yes. If you listen good, you're right. You're 100% right.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, he used to like him Barrington Levy, so he used to like try to sound like him. Cause I think that song when I even feel for Lord, I think Barrington Levy sing one song near to that, you know.
Okay.
I think so. I
Yeah.
don't remember fully, but I think Barrington Levy sing one song near to that.
Something like that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And then Chronic want to take off that dub plate.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be one of the biggest anthem in a Black Cat box.
That is so crazy.
When that song drop on you, if you're not dead, you're not dead again.
I've seen you do some damage. I've seen, if you played that song 100 times, 95% times it worked.
Yeah,
I've
man.
seen it get shaky like about 5 times.
Yeah. And the dance have a real bored or something wrong.
Yeah.
Feel shaky.
Yeah.
But if Black Cat had good vibes and that drop on you, you're not gonna come back.
I remember that even when you and Trooper were on tour together, those times it was Black Cat and Jar was doing a tour right across the
Yeah,
US
yeah.
and Canada.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, man, and you came here and you guys, it was crazy that night.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? It's like, could you even remember the amount of clashes and dances you played in your career?
No, so, yeah, man. Holy man.
Yeah. It's crazy. How about even any Canadian songs that gave you a problem, that gave you a fight?
Much, I really never clash with much Canadian sound, but
Yeah.
in these, man.
Okay.
I try to remember.
It was, I remember a time
I think
you and
that's-
Desert Storm caught up a couple of times. That's when Concord was around. R.I.P.
Yeah. But Concord is a man that rate me.
You know if it tell
I
me.
mean, selector. I mean, the man is selector. So, me remember what the part that they go.
Yeah.
I
Studio mix.
I think me class Super Fresh one time, no? I don't remember.
Yeah. It's so much.
Most of the clash I have, I never really Canadian song with the
Yeah.
clash. Music Clash of my ear, but I wasn't playing that
Yeah.
song.
Do you have any of your archives? You like collect your flyers, your audio, your posts? Is there anything you collect, or you just kill and go through?
Me have a couple audio.
Yeah.
I have a couple way back audio. I always listen to it. Garnet Silk can sing live from Black Cat.
What?
Yeah, you know of that one?
No, never heard of that one before.
Yeah, whatever I call him Bimbo.
Yeah, I know Bimbo. He was with Tony Rebel those times.
Yes,
Yeah.
that Culture Nax I call him.
Yep.
Culture Nax is from Black Cat, you know.
What? No.
Papa Cat people, family them too.
Okay.
Yeah, same Manchester era.
Yeah.
Yeah. And remember me playing on one place and Garnet Silk was there singing live.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that tape for you.
Yeah. No, I definitely want
Yeah,
it.
get it.
So he was as Bimbo when he was singing on Blackhead, not Garnet Silk those times.
I think they call him Garnet Silk the night too, but like him say, come down Bimbo.
Because
So
that
they-
was the big name.
Yeah, they still use Bimbo.
Yeah. On Blackhead, never heard that one before.
Yeah, man. Some place in Manchester there.
What's your favorite Clash of all times? Your favorite that you'll never, ever, ever forget?
Clash. The first time me and Bass had this a clash.
Okay.
You know why? The whole of Manchester people it was an anticipated. Everybody there was in a clash.
Okay. Because
Man.
those were the two hot songs.
Yes, from country. Two bad sound rights
Yeah.
and country. So they were a second score.
Yeah.
People are bet their life, their car, their wife. Say if this man that win, then kill them. Say, what if something will go on, man?
Yeah.
One place, the Royal Flat in Manchester.
Okay.
I'll never forget that clash. And Black Cat killed Bass Odyssey night.
Okay. Who was playing bass Odyssey that night there?
That Tina one,
Yes.
Keith, he did that play. Screens never bust a big hit.
Yeah. Glamour G was
Screens
probably.
was in there, but he must have like an early juggling selector.
Yeah.
Then that Tina one was the man. And Keith himself is a player too, you know. Yeah. I give them some beat that night. Yeah, man, Royal Flat, man. I never forget that dancer.
Your favorite Clash of all
Yeah,
times?
man, ever. People bet so much on that clash.
Yeah.
Bet. People couldn't wait for the clash come. So
Yeah.
never forget it. First time that we are basically meet in history.
Okay. That was the first one-on-one.
First.
First.
For the two sons go on good, first.
Yeah.
Because remember we have the same fans.
Yeah.
The same country people.
Yeah.
Two men apart, one as a Black Cat, one as a Beast. And the same fans there.
Yeah.
Up to that day,
Yeah.
if you know they go work clash, I'm gonna be. If Black Cat and business in the clash, if Black Cat drop out, Black Cat crowd end up got cheer for Bass Odyssey.
Yeah.
If business drop out,
Yeah.
business crowd come over upon Black Cat side, go help Black Cat. So I see him fans them.
It
Rock
makes
politics,
sense.
yes.
Because at that time, when you guys were just busting, all of the bad songs were coming from town.
Yes.
All of the big songs were Kingston.
Yes.
So then, as the two bad country
And we
songs,
can rise up, raise country. Cause no bad sound about their country. Where people like, I say, all right, them sound their country sound.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
if a man keep a dance, I thought they go on for your sound.
Yeah.
And we can change that.
Yeah.
Black Cat and Bass Odyssey.
Okay.
Body Girl help do it too.
then you guys went to town and bad up everything.
Yes, and Body Girl rise around the same time.
But Bodyguard was, they always said Clarendon, but you and Squingy and Bass Odyssey always said country.
Country, yes,
You know what I mean? So
yes.
you're taking everywhere.
More than me. And Body Girl they act like more townish too.
Yeah.
Catch them the nearest to the town. They don't even play a town more often
Yeah.
than we.
Yeah.
So me and Bass was really the country bush sound.
Yeah.
Going to the whole like bush there.
Jelani Bush.
Yes.
Right, you know what I
The
mean?
war people in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing. Panther, before I get you out of here, what do you want your legacy to be? What is your legacy?
Well, people just remember what I do. And know, honest. Because, you know, say, to me, I'm tell my son or everybody, when a man remember the work I put in, I
Yeah.
respect it. It's value to me more than give me money.
Yeah, I hear that.
Value a lot to me. I like when people recognize and remember what I do. It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
I'm putting a lot of work, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of work I'm putting in. Because my son, you know, come rise up and do film thing. I'm sit down and tell him about them something there.
Yeah.
Yeah, enough things I never know, you know.
And you're still on the street. You're still out here.
Yeah, man.
You know what I
Active,
mean?
man.
Yeah. That's your legacy. Anybody you want to big up, anything you want to
'Cause I'm
say,
not-
floor is yours.
Yeah, because one time some people say, Panther play so long, I wonder if I want old man.
Yeah.
They understand, say, I'm still young, I'm 40 and
Yeah.
but
You started
to me I
young.
do it so long, it make it look like it's a long time. Can
Yeah.
be so long.
Yeah.
Yes, I know, over 30 years.
Crazy.
And more.
Because you started out as a kid.
Yes, cool.
You know what I mean?
Sometimes I go start new day.
Yeah.
Me have fool around the rest of them and them so on.
Yeah.
So I'm a little kid, I start me them something there.
Mm-hmm.
So boy, you know, I just want people to remember what I do
Yeah.
and show me a little respect for it, you know.
100%.
I do
Nine
it.
star
So
general.
I had a lot of fun to the game and entertain my fans them and
Yeah.
one of them shows them say I appreciate what I do. Yeah, and them feeling them like it was a good feeling for me to know somebody appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's all.
Makes sense. Buja came out last night. Any words for Buja?
Yeah, man, Buju is one of the artists that I start out with too. I mean, just start from I watch him career grow same way from me just start playing from Russell time. Yeah, man, really give God for those Buju come out and good and healthy and everything.
Yeah.
And, you know,
Yeah.
look forward to get some new songs.
Who's the artist right now on, what's the official name of the song? Pink Panther or Panther Movement? What's the official name of the song?
It means work as Pink Panther, the general.
Got you.
That's movement, no, that's the general Pink Panther.
Who's the artist now, since we know that you like
I have a
these?
team now, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, team general.
Yeah.
I may have some whole heap of selector.
Yeah.
Like some new youth, we're mixing me.
Yeah.
I start touring them also. I have Ricky Fresh, I have DJ Marvin, I have Fire Run, I have DJ Roses. Couple of them well me have around me.
Okay.
Roddy Lee,
Yeah.
the whole team I select.
The whole team.
I have artists, I have dance, I have Uncle Blaze them
Okay.
as an artist.
Yeah.
Bad Man Dance. I have Chemical, I have my road manager.
Yeah.
Kevin Camp. I have Marcus Mosiah, my manager.
Yeah. Okay.
So my team, well, my team set properly, you know,
Yeah.
like a shaky thing with the man. Yeah, man. So team general, big man.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
Big them up. People wanted to contact you to book you or follow you on social media, whatsoever. Give them some info.
Yeah, man, you can link Marcus Mosiah, man. And I link Panther Son too.
Yeah.
You can book me through Panther Son. Everybody know who find Panther Son.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have Marcus Mosiah. I want to put the number out.
Yeah.
But we can put the number over here.
Of course you can.
Yeah, man, you can link Marcus Mosiah for any international bookings. Or Kevin Camp. Kevin Camp is my road manager.
Okay.
But if we can link Marcus Mosiah at 347-856-4795. So it's 347-856-4795. Marcus Mosiah. Him really officially booked for me.
Got you.
If you want to get contract, anything you want to get,
Yeah.
all right, man, that's the link.
He's the one you link with. You're more into juggling, clashing. What are you doing more nowadays?
From what I do no clash really.
Yeah.
I do a whole of juggling dance.
Yeah.
I'm fully booking now.
Yeah.
After December, yeah.
Yeah.
I go Jamaica morning. I start work from this week right back now.
Yeah.
But I'm at every art party.
Yeah. As a juggling.
As a juggler.
Yeah.
Because as I tell you, I have a team.
Yeah.
We have some youth around me who are mad
Yeah.
for juggling.
Yeah.
So that's all we need, you know. Somebody if make to keep up to
That juggling
that
style.
generation.
Yeah.
But must say we have a stage like already.
Right.
You know. So for we have the youth them and give them what them want, we're good.
You're good.
Yeah, so that's why you can't selfish if you build a team. That's why I come with team general. Yeah, man. So our whole team we have, man. So I'm fully booked, man. We have clash that come up, but I think we have next year.
Yeah.
We have Face Blast clash video. And the Sound for Dead.
Yes.
You know what that clash there?
Yeah.
We have that video in New York. I don't want to let out him line up yet.
Yeah.
He have a style we do.
Okay.
We have a surprise, yeah.
Yeah.
Different style from what you think.
Yeah.
Well, I wait for him line up to come out.
Okay.
We have that. I have a couple of things for the man. I have Sunfest. Actually, the man called me for Sunfest already.
For Sumfest?
Already, yeah. The youth do the booking.
Yeah.
I actually book feet already, I have to say.
Okay.
And I have a couple more. What about something? The Guinness people, them a link me.
Yeah.
My, one next clash I keep at Kingston, we keep at Tower Hill.
Okay.
Boom All Star.
Yep.
New kids them.
Yeah.
Them a link me for do that too in February. So me not confirm them up yet if
Yeah.
me do them yet, but a couple of things have come up.
There's a lot of stuff in the pipeline right now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. 9-star
Cause what
general.
clash I keep knowing that. If you know it's in Jamaica, and the company them a keep clash.
Yes. They clean them up
Guinness.
and package them up
Yeah,
a
they
different
might-
type of way.
Yeah, they
but
might-
it's still...
The edit clash,
Yeah.
they call them. Edit clash, they call them.
Yeah. There's no swearing, no
Yeah.
this, no that, no real.
Yeah, well, we call them edit clash. Well, me not like them because I don't really my style,
Yeah.
but two them still want my flavor.
Yeah.
Me say, all right, me gonna do a couple of them.
Yeah.
So me say, me gonna free up some of them, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Definitely looking forward to 2019 and see what you have in store. Panther, 9-star general.
Yeah, man.
You're the real big boss.
Yeah,
Again,
man.
thank you so very much for coming through. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
man, and big up the whole of my crew, man. Big up Panther Son movement. I'm a look at son,
Of course.
I'm a built in.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm a build him thing name, Panther Son movement. So yeah, I big him up and big up the whole of my fans them. Team General out here. Big up Black Cat, my son for years. Papa Cat, anyway there. The whole team. Yunzi, Steve, rest in peace. See? Father Chang. The whole crew.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big up the general. That was Pink Panther, the 9-star general on the Entertainment Report podcast. And this is Muscle, and I am out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.